we started Venturize with the Department of Industries and Commerce to bring startups to work together with corporates and to solve problem statement given by corporates in manufacturing, aerospace and defense, and
free track.
yeah, and ESDM. We'll share a quick video. This is the second edition that we will coincide with the Global Investors Meet in February. But we are landing the Venturize semi-finalists at the TGS and having a Venturize track at TiE Global Summit as well, just as a quick context. But the video will explain. Thank you.
May I please request Shri M.B. Patil, Honorable Minister of Commerce and Industries and Infrastructure, Government of Karnataka, to share his thoughts on Venturize.
On this happy occasion of the curtain raiser function for the TiE Global Summit Bangalore 2024 to be held on from 9 to 12th of December. Sri Priyanka Geji, Honorable Minister for Information Technology and Biotechnology, Sri Amit Gupta, the Chairman of TiE Global, Sri Prashant Prakash, Partner of Partners, SL Partners, Sri B.V. Naidu, Sri Sharat Bachegowda, Chairman of QNX, Dr. Ekrup Kaur, Secretary Department of Electronics, IT and Biotechnology and Science and Technology, Government of Karnataka, Srimati Gunjan Krishna, Commissioner for Industries and Commerce, Sri Sanju Gupta, CEO of KDM, all the, and most importantly, Madan Padki, all the TiE members, esteemed TiE members and dignitaries here. I'm really happy to be part of this event of the curtain raiser of this TiE Global Summit. Mr. Madan Padki, in his introductory speech, he told how did it happen in Bangalore. Of course, it was very late, but I think this should be the game changer, this event in Bangalore, because Bangalore is known for its competency And also, Bangalore is known that how we can do things better than anyone in the world. As you have seen in the IT developments and other biotechnology fields and other fields. Namaskara. Today, I would like to acknowledge the Thai efforts over the past few decades in fostering entrepreneurship through mentoring, networking, educating, funding, and incubation. I truly believe that Thai is generating and nurturing the next generation of entrepreneurs. Promoting innovation and entrepreneurship is a mission that is close to Karnataka's heart. As you all might be aware of, Karnataka has consistently, first in Niti Aayog's India Innovation Index and first in Manufacturing Innovation Index as per the Department of Science and Technology, Government of India. Out of 113 unicorns in India, Bangalore is home to 40 plus of them. Bangalore has always been a major innovation hub and is home to 400 plus MNCs with global R&D centers. Bangalore is also the fastest growing technology and innovation cluster in the world. And I'm happy to announce today that Global Investors Meet 2025 is going to be held on 12th to 14th of February 2025 in Bangalore Palace. So I'd like to give a little introduction of the Venturize, wherein the Thai Unit Summit, as well as in the Global Investors Meet, the final event is going to take place. Venturize is India's premium startup challenge for young businesses shaping the future of manufacturing. Venturize 22 saw 12,200 plus applications and focused on startups operating in manufacturing and sustainability sector. The event also helped startups by connecting with leading entrepreneurs in the state for mentorship. The mentors for the previous edition including Vishal Chaudhary, co-founder of Jetwork, Vivekananda Hallikere, CEO and co-founder of Bounce, Subramaniam SY, CEO of Fisdom, Raghunandan G, founder Jolve, and Anant Narayan, founder of Mensa Brands, and Tarun Mehta, CEO and co-founder of Ether. In the run to the Global Investors Meet 2025, we are hosting the second edition of our Global Startup Challenge Venturize 24. The key objective of the Venturize is to recognize, reward, and support startups in manufacturing-related sectors and provide them a platform to showcase their strengths and secure funding. I could hear Prashant Prakash, the opinion of his that we had a great opportunity in Bangalore, Karnataka, because we were the first in having Hindustan Machine Tools, HMT, here. And we could not somehow take that lead forward, and maybe at least late, we would now like to rise to the occasion and see that Karnataka becomes a manufacturing hub. Likewise, we have Karnataka has a great history, starting from ISRO, then BEL, BHEL, BML, and other Indians of Science and other organization, which has helped Karnataka to be what it is today. This edition builds on the success of the previous one and will be focusing on the key sectors of ESDM, auto, and clean mobility, and aerospace and defense. One unique aspect of this edition of the challenge is that all the problem statements have been provided by the respective industry players themselves. ensuring that the solutions proposed by startups directly address real-world challenges. The challenge seeks to address critical industry pain points by providing a platform for budding startups to showcase their solutions and connect with potential investors and mentors. The participants in this challenge will also benefit from networking sessions with the leading VC and PE firms, mentorship sessions by RQ entrepreneurs, exposure to the prestigious TAI Global Summit of years. The challenge also offers a prize pool of around USD 300,000 for the best applications. We have onboarded Marco entrepreneurs such as Ankit Fateh Purata of Co-Condo Jetwork, Awais Ahmad, founder of Pixel, Gadadhar Reddy of founder and CEO of Nopo Nanotechnologies, Minu Margaret, founder of CEO of Bliss Club, Kaushik Mudda, co-founder and CEO of Astral Machines, and Rohit Ganapati, CEO and CTO of Bellatrix Aerospace as mentors for Venturize. And I also like to stress on the aspect of the government of India, is this one of Bharat, where it is beyond Bangalore, what we call. This is an opportunity, this TAI Summit as well as the Global Investors Meet. With this, we'd like to really start this. Priyank Kharge, our IT and BT Minister, he's also the Rural Development Minister. You can see IT, BT and Rural Development on one side. Balance, yeah. So it's as I also come from a rural background, and also like Priyank, also Sharath. Sharath is closer to Bangalore, but also rural. rural, Bangalore rural. So what we have a lot of talents there in rural, and they are more committed than the urban. Sorry to say so. Because I was talking to Narayan Murthy once, when I was from from London to Bangalore. For Infosys, if they could see the techies working in Infosys, who hail from North Karnataka or from the rural, they were the people where the retention rate was very high. Once they join Infosys, maybe they'll retire in Infosys. They would not jump for another small rise in some other company. See, the only thing what we feel is the right exposure and the level playing field. So these platforms of TAI Global Summit and the members, you also mentioned that you're going to have a district-wise TAI associations, which is most welcome. So that will lead to change things in Karnataka or elsewhere. So with proper exposure and level playing field, I think that beyond Bangalore, the Bharat also will also be make things change in the society as well as in the our state and the country. And also I'd like to invite you all. We are now on to number 23rd of this month. We are going to unveil the Knowledge, Health, Innovation and Research Park, which is a unique park, which is now also going to be unveiled on 23rd at 11 a.m. here in the Taj West End, and of course, will send a proper invitation, and I'll also invite, because it's come up very beautifully, and the things have been very beautiful, and you all like to, Bangalore would like to take the lead in whatever, it's a unique concept, and also we are planning to come up with so because I believe in, first when I announced KHR, after KHR, once unveil and start working on that, I wanted to announce the next one, but it's a right proper forum here that we are coming up. And when we went to Japan as well as in Korea, we could see there, the startup, they should show us the areas from there high-rising floors, that this is a startup area in Japan and Korea. So I have identified beautiful land parcels for a startup park also in Bangalore, which will be very different, like not like in a KIDB industrial park. There will be having small parcels, maybe 5,000 square feet, 10,000 square feet, half an acre, 1 acre, 2 acre, to maybe 5-10 acres, which will be on what do you call a rental system, on a lease system. Temporary this one also, and some of them where they do not have. I came across a company. They said, "Sir, we cannot buy a land parcel." The startup, but again, it's a very big startup. This one I mentioned to Prashant Prakashji once. So we were having various options for them. They can take it on rent. They can lease it for years. They can buy it. And we're going to be making very different in different sizes. And we're offering a very beautiful area also for that, what I've recognized for that. So we're coming with a startup park also, which will help all the young entrepreneurs and to start their journey. So with this, so I'm pleased to announce the launch of the Venturize applications and encourage the startups and entrepreneurs from across the world to participate and contribute to solving some of the most burning challenges of the industry. Thank you. Thank you all.